Hi there, and welcome once again to Wednesdays at Lorts. I'm Michelle Lorts, and today I'm so excited to talk with you about our new cabinetry division. As you know, since 1966, we've provided the interior design community with stunning heirloom quality furniture. Our dedicated and creative craftsmen and women manufacture beautiful designs for bedrooms, dining rooms, occasional areas, and anything and everything in between. Well, for those of you who have clientele who've been asking for our quality construction, our industry-leading finishes, and our ability to custom in a kitchen, office, library, or public space, we're now partnering with our customers to create cabinetry for all of those spaces and more. As with our furniture, we give you an array of options to choose from. European frameless construction, face frame construction, hardwood, veneers, laminates, and foil finishes, to name a few. Our standard cabinetry includes pre-finished interiors, soft close door hinges, soft close undermount drawer slides, and dovetail drawer boxes. And of course, custom upgrades are absolutely available. Just think of it. With our custom ability, decades of experience, industry-leading finishes, quality, and options available, what an amazing space you can create. And we'll send you an information sheet and help you decide how best to get started. We would love to partner with you on your next project and help you elevate not only your furniture options, but your built-in cabinetry as well. The sky's the limit. Thanks for joining me today, and see you next time.